What's going on, guys? Operation Moon here with another video. Just a quick SHIB update today. We're going to look at the CoinMarketCap and go over some Reddit posts. So if you like the content, hit that sub button and drop a comment down below. Also, I now have a Patreon. So if you wish to support me there, you can. On that Patreon, you will get access to my altcoin and investing guide. So I've put together a 20-page guide on the strategies that I use to find new cryptocurrencies, also to purchase them, and then my profit strategy. So if that's something you're interested in, head over there. There'll be a link in the description. Let's get into it. Jumping across to the coin market cap here, we can see the total crypto market is down 1.19%. So BTC is sitting around 33.5. It's down 0.7% in the last 24 hours. So scrolling down to Shiba, which is sitting at 31 now. We can see we're down 2.6% in the last 24 hours and 11% over the course of the week. You can see there's been a downward trend here. So jump into that and go to trading view, swap it to 1 hour. Now, yeah, you can see we've hit this peak when we're trying to drop that zero. Since that point, we've had a significant downward trend. So we have dipped about 20% since the 6th of July. So the last 4 days. Nothing to be too concerned about. As we all know, it's a long-term goal here. And plus Shibaswap is open now. So everybody's making returns on their locked Shib. See, the market cap is down 2.6%. So it's still around that 3 billion mark, which is very impressive. And the volume, 24-hour volume, is down 7%. So 300 mil. So not too bad. We've got 1 million watches now on CoinMarketCap, which is crazy. So to compare that to Doge, Doge is sitting at 1,014,000. So I believe we have 12,000 away. But anyway, interesting stuff there. Jumping into the Reddit now, and there's a few posts I wanted to go over, and this is one that was posted 3 days ago, but it's still relevant, and it just gives you perspective on the situation and just how large Shibaswap actually is becoming. So whoops, sorry, reality. Uniswap has been around for 4 years, and there's 5.7 staked or locked. SushiSwap has been around for 1 year, and there's 2.9 billion. Shibaswap was around for 1 day, and they hit 1.14 billion. Ludicrous numbers. Like, you've just really, this puts it in perspective. I know people expected Shibaswap to be huge, but to have, almost half of what SushiSwap has accrued over the course of 1 year is ridiculous. And then to have about 20% of what Uniswap has done in 4 years, to achieve that in 1 day, is very significant. So props to the Shib army. Another interesting picture here, this was posted on Reddit, and is the top 20 most discussed cryptocurrencies on Twitter in June 2021. And Shib is sitting at number 1, up 3 positions, 10%. So Shib, BTC, Doge, SafeMoon, and ETH are the top 5. Just wanted to put that in there as a bit of a respect for the Shib army and how much the community is talking about this token. So jumping across to this Reddit post here from Duckinator, and it's almost everything you need to know right now. So basically, he said he's got some free time. He's not an expert, he's not a whale, but he's put together a bunch of information that could benefit the community. So what are the official addresses for Shiba and other stuff? So he's got the website, Shibaswap, Discord, Telegram, Twitter. It's very cool. What are Shiba ecosystem tokens? So the main tokens you can buy and swap are Shiba Inu, Leash, Bone. Then he's got tokens that you can earn by holding actions on Shibaswap are X Shiba, X Leash, T Bone. Anything else different other than the above is probably fake or a scam. There is no support team, and no one will ask you to transfer anything anywhere. If there is anyone who sends you links to click or asks you to do anything, be aware probably it's a scam. Yeah, just don't do that. Don't click links that people send you. All right, pretty simple. How do I use Shibaswap? So you download MetaMask. Put on your smartphone, click on the menu at the top left to select the browser. In the browser, go to Shibaswap, connect your wallet, accept the connection of your MetaMask. At the swap page, select the token you currently have in your wallet. Select also the token you want to trade, confirm the information that will appear. Click approve, this will require ETH in your wallet to pay the gas fee. Wait until that is approved. Click swap, this will require you to have ETH on your wallet to pay the gas fee. Wait until the swap is finished. Look at the new icon in your MetaMask wallet. If your swap token does not appear on MetaMask, add it as a custom token using the correct contract for that token. You can find this information in the beginning of this trade. So relatively straightforward. If you're unsure about any of those steps, you can just YouTube how to set up your MetaMask. I'm also going to make a guide on it, but that is there. And then the last one is how to bury, stake my tokens. Currently, you can bury 3 tokens, Shib, Leash, or Bone. Download, open your MetaMask on your smartphone, click the menu top left, select the browser, go to shibaswap.com, #/berry, click at the connect wallet at the top right of the browser, accept the connection. At the berry page, select the token you wish to bury or stake. Select the quantity you wish to bury and stake. Click approve. This will require you to have some ETH on your wallet to pay the gas fee. Wait until the approval is finished. Click stake. This will require you to have some ETH on your wallet to pay the gas fees again. So just remember that it's two. You've got the one to set up the initiate the transaction. So to link your wallet and Shib to stake, and then the second one to actually pay for the transaction to go through. Wait until the stake is finished. Confirm that you see the total buried. Look at the new token in your MetaMask wallet. If you swap, the token does not appear in the MetaMask, add a custom token using the contract, and so on. Below, you will find the expected results of burying. So this is the outcome of what happens when you bury Shib, leash. Okay, so, and then there's how do I dig. Provide a link to this, but yeah, if you like the content in today's video, drop a like, comment down below that you are currently, what you're staking. Is it Shib? Is it leash? So yeah, appreciate you watching. Thanks.